Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this Hardaddy shirt just to kind of go ahead and tell you all about it, and that's what I'm going to do. You can see this is an XXL button-down shirt. It is both a casual and a classy shirt. It is perfect for a night out to dinner. It's perfect for a vacation or a cruise, even a day in the theme parks. It does have the top pocket there, so you can put your phone, you can put a little ID card or sunglasses even. You can put that in there if you want. That's fine. You can see it is very breathable. It is very smooth and silky. You can see kind of the fabric. It is a polyester, but that's good because the air goes through it. It's a very lightweight fabric. Now I'm wearing it tucked in right now. You can pull it out as well, and just kind of wear it that way. It's kind of a loosey goosey. You can feel the breeze go through. It fits really really well. This is an XXL. Again, I'm a kind of a big guy. I'm 6 foot something, and it just fits great. It really really looks wonderful. You can see the colors, a bunch of different colors available. I like this one. It's kind of a tropical, lighter color. I don't typically wear lighter colors, but I just really like this green. And you can see the subtle print there. I guess the kind of the palm leaves. It's just kind of a tropical, vacationy sort of a vibe. I really like this. My wife really likes it. I've actually received compliments on this when I've worn it out, and I've gone out twice now with this. So just a nice, casual, good-looking, very comfortable shirt. I really like a lot of Hardaddy shirts. They do come vacuum packed. You do want to steam them out when you first get them and then just kind of get rid of all the wrinkles, but then they're good. They're wonderful. They are machine washable. It just looks really, really good, and I highly recommend them.